The shop light is having a problem. Hopefully one of the bulbs is just on its way out. It's been like this for a while, and you can see this bulb is kind of spent because the ends are turning black. So let's see if we can get this fixed. I have another bulb, so hopefully this is as simple as just changing the bulb out. This is I'm not sure what the brand is. Here's the specifications. It's the Cool White, USA, 40 watts. And this has lasted a long time. Been in the studio for, since 2009. It's been a good 12 or 13 years. And these lights were here when we moved in, so they've lasted a while. You know, the replacement bulb is a Westinghouse 40 watts preheat rapid start, also Cool White. This is model F40CW. Now this is out of a slightly different fixture, but this other bulb is also model F40, what is it? F40CW. So I think it's fine. So let's climb back up here. It's not easy to reach. And now let's put this in. That feels like it's in place. So let's see what happens. And there we go. Now it's working again. It seems awfully flickery. I guess it was always like that. Well, that's it until the next bulb goes out.